It's windy, it's rough, but we're fishing and we had a good time today. We got about 3 reds, all pretty good size, and here's the footage. Or lift them in. Hold on, hold on. Hold on, I'm coming. I'm coming. There you go, look at that bad boy. Look at that bad boy. That's nice. Let me take it out, make sure. Good. Look at that beauty. That's nice. Nice red. Beautiful. Good job. Look at this. Babe with number 2. Man. Look at that bad boy in the cooler. Jump. There we go. There we go. Finally got something to chew. Finally got something to chew. Literally sitting there messing with my I was messing with my oar because it was getting in my way. And he hit it. Oh, he's got some shoulders. You can stay over there. You're good. You're fine. Just stay anchored. Oh, watch the anchor. He's not quite ready yet. Oh, slight tackle is fun. I don't want to lose him though. Get my net. Let's just, Let's just pull him over. All right. Whew. What a fish. What a fish.